Good morning, guys. So today is not gonna be a vlog actually, but I am filming a vlog style. So I want to show you guys what I eat in a day and just basically like how I stay healthy in college despite the not so healthy food in the cafeteria and not being able to cook and all that stuff. Surprisingly, I actually think that I've been the most healthy I ever have since coming to college, and I've really come up with some good meals to have at school that are easy to get and just kind of hack the system a little bit to make things a little bit more healthy. So yeah, I thought I'd take you guys through my day, show you all what I eat on a typical day, and that's it. So it is about 8:30 right now, and I'm gonna head over and get some coffee and some breakfast. So let's go. So every morning, first thing I do is get my coffee, and I get a triple shot hazelnut latte with almond milk. So not super healthy, but so good. And then my breakfast kind of varies. I'll either do an avocado toast because they sell avocados and they have bread, obviously. I'll do banana peanut butter, or what I do most often is I go to the omelet bar and I get an egg white omelet with spinach, peppers, onions, and bell peppers. It's about 11:30 right now, and I'm getting a little bit hungry for some reason. Whenever I eat breakfast in the morning, I'm hungrier before lunch than when I don't, which is super weird. I don't know why. But I'm just snacking on some baby carrots. One of my favorite snacks. If I want something sweeter, I'll eat them just plain like this. Or I also keep some spicy hummus in my refrigerator if I want something a little bit more savory, spicy. I'll go more in depth on my snack stuff later in the afternoon, but I'm a huge snacker, guys. Love snacks. Now I'm off to Jamba Juice to get some lunch. I usually get a smoothie bowl from there. That's probably my most frequently ate lunch. But if I don't get that, I'll normally get a salad with some chicken or something. I try to have at least one salad a day, so I'm thinking I'll probably have that for dinner.
I feel the warmth of your skin.
So this is the nutty almond butter bowl. It's pretty much what I get every time I go. It just has almond butter, bananas, peaches, almond milk, I believe. Super yummy and very filling with all the almond butter. So really good lunch food too.
I'm here in my bed, never gonna be alone.
So for my afternoon snack, I'm just having this Nature Valley peanut butter granola bar. I do tend to work out in the afternoon, so I like to have something that will give me energy. So granola bars are definitely my go-to. I'll also sometimes just do some fruit or something like that. Here are just a couple of the things I keep in my little snack bin over here. So unsalted cashews are also kind of my go-to. Really yummy, really filling. They have protein in them. This specific flavor of Boom Chicka Pop is also really good. It's the light kettle corn flavor. It's good if you want something sweet, but they also do have a lightly salted flavor too in the yellow bag that I also really like. For granola bars, I really like Nugo bars. They have 10-12 grams of protein in them. They taste like candy bars, super yummy. And then what I also really like are these chewy peanut butter chocolate chip granola bars. They're pretty small and they're not amazing for you, but they are super yummy. And the hummus I like to use is this Sabra Supremely Spicy hummus. But my personal favorite is actually the Kava Spicy hummus. They sell it at Whole Foods. A lot of organic grocery stores. That one's definitely my favorite, but they don't have it everywhere, so I just get that one normally. One of my biggest tips for staying healthy in college is to have healthy snacks on hand. I probably go to the store once a week to just get some fruit and carrots, hummus, more granola bars, stuff like that are healthy snacks, because they sell chips and stuff on campus, but not very good for you, and also just not very filling. I know not everyone's able to go off campus and buy snacks, but even just buying the healthier granola bars they sell at your school, some fruit, things like that, just really good to snack on in the middle of the day. Okay, I'll update the food vlog. So we just finished, I'm feeling what I eat today.
Oh, alright.
So we just finished Soul Cycle, and now we're gonna get some pressed juice. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
A little juice.
Yum. It's the cutest little hut. You gotta show them.
It is. If you guys have heard of pressed juice, really good juice. Very overpriced.
Great
so,
yogurt too.
Oh yeah, the freezes. It's
Oh, it's kinda.
ice cream, kinda, but there's no milk in it. That's also good. citrus too. That one's also really good. It's like lemon and
It's
pineapple.
apple, pineapple, lemon, and mint. That is really good too.
No one ever gets this one. It's a strawberry basil lemonade. It tastes like lemonade, but like basil-y. I don't know. It's yum.
Yummy.
Cute. Okay, so for dinner, I just made this pretty large salad. The salad part here is like okay. I think I make good use out of it. I do lettuce, chicken, cucumbers, onions, carrots. They didn't have bell peppers, but I normally do those too. And what else? Oh, and edamame. Then I put a little bit of olive oil, a ton of vinegar, and some bread sometimes. Not my best salad, but it's pretty good.
Some pretty good ones.
I know, right? Okay guys, so that's giving me it for my what I eat in a day video. I do sometimes eat a snack before bed, but wasn't really feeling it yesterday. So yeah, that is how I stay healthy in college. Of course, my diet varies every day, but that's just like the basis of what I eat. If you want to see more college related videos, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I post new videos every single Saturday, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!